Hello and welcome to EasyPod. Today we're reporting from Esrin, the European Space Agency's Earth Observation Center in Frascati, Italy, where some 70 young scientists from around the world have gathered to attend ESA's 2-week-long Invisat summer school, where they will learn to monitor and to model the Earth's oceans, atmosphere, biosphere, and cryosphere. The third in a series of Invisat summer schools, this year's course aims to train the next generation of scientists to develop skills in remote sensing, modeling, and data assimilation.
We are holding now here in Frascati a course for a duration of 2 weeks to help the students analyze the data that is coming down from this satellite, and in particular to combine the models which represent the scientific background of the scientific community with the data from the Invisat satellite to produce information about the state of the environment and the climate, whether the climate is changing, whether the environment is getting worse or better, as the case may be. And so at the end of these 2 weeks, the students should go back to their institutions and perhaps complete their PhD with a much better understanding of all these issues.
The school is unique because of its multidisciplinary topics and its truly international scope, with students coming from ESA member states as well as Asia, Africa, North America, Australia, and non-ESA European countries. Earlier today, we spoke with some of the students about why they wanted to attend this year's summer school.
What I'm hoping to acquire by my participation here is some exchanges with other students and as well as professors that will give lectures here.
I wanted to come to this summer school because I was hoping to learn a little more background on data assimilation.
I was actually hoping to get some inspiration for my further work, of course, and I was particularly keen on Earth system modeling anyway, but I would like to incorporate methods of data assimilation into what I was going to do in the near future.
It means it makes it easier to get contact, to put up a network and maybe get some collaborations all over the world.
The course includes 34 hours of lectures by leading scientists and 20 hours of hands-on computing exercises, with a lot of the focus being put on data assimilation, which involves the use of satellite and in-situ data to make accurate estimations.
Assimilation also combines all the information you know about the atmosphere of the ocean or the environment. And the information comes from observations, but it comes also from all the knowledge which has been accumulated over time about the physics of the system, all the physical and also chemical processes which take place in the atmosphere of the ocean. And all that is mixed together with the observations in a simulation in order to obtain as accurate as possible a description of the atmosphere of the ocean.
A keynote lecture on global change is being given every day to detail the current state of the planet and to examine global change's relationship to society in order to help the students appreciate how their specific fields fit into a broader scientific context.
There are many changes going on in the global ecosystem at the moment, which are both threatening and unprecedented. And for us to understand those changes and to navigate a safe way through them into the future, we have to be able to understand them, and that requires very many disciplines, and it also requires the integration of those disciplines in this big area that we refer to as Earth system science.
Although school is still underway, students are already inquiring about future sessions. Earlier, we spoke with ESA's Stephen Briggs about the success of the school and the possibility of continuing the series.
One of the reasons for the success of the summer school to date, and one for which I'm extremely pleased, is the incredibly high quality of the lecturers which we have. We have lecturers from all around the world. They are the leading experts in their fields, recognized worldwide, and we're very fortunate and honored, in fact, for them to give up their time to come here, spend time with students over 2 weeks, and to be able to give the benefit of their experience and expertise to the younger generation students coming through. This is a really encouraging aspect of the summer school, and one which really makes me feel that this is something in particular we would like to take forward into the future.
For the European Space Agency, I'm Tammy Oakes. For more news and information on the World Wide Web, access www.esa.int. Thank you for watching.